Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Audi TT MK2 service light. First, turn your ignition on, but do not start the engine. Next, locate and press the trip reset button on your instrument cluster. Hold it down for about 3 seconds until the display changes. Release the button, then press it again briefly to confirm the oil change service reset. This simple action will clear that pesky reminder from your dashboard. Now, let's tackle the inspection service light. With the ignition still on and the engine off, press and hold the trip reset button once more. Keep holding it until the display shows the inspection service message. Release the button, then press it briefly to confirm the reset. This two-step process ensures both service reminders are cleared, keeping your Audi's dashboard clean and accurate. Sometimes, the reset might not take on the first try. A common tip is to ensure all your car doors are completely closed before you begin the process. If the light persists, simply repeat the steps carefully. If you've tried a few times and the light remains, it might indicate a deeper issue, and consulting a qualified mechanic would be the best next step. Keeping up with your Audi TT MK2 service schedule is crucial for its longevity and performance. Regularly resetting these lights helps you stay on top of maintenance without unnecessary dashboard clutter. Remember, a well-maintained car runs smoother and lasts longer. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals to simplify your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.